everyone, welcome to Spotlight on Wet Wipes. My name is Simran and today I will talk about our research project, Wipes versus Pipes. Wipes versus Pipes was born out of my experience in the Rockman lab where I worked on a big study called Plastic Spiraling Through River Networks, or PSIRN for short. We counted and characterized plastic pollution from the Don River, and I was so surprised by how many wet wipes we found. Plastic wet wipes were the second highest litter category, only behind plastic bags. So, as a pollution prevention project fellow, I wanted to study plastic wet wipe pollution to help inform solutions. Overall, this research aims to prevent wet wipes from entering the environment. More specifically, we aim to understand and quantify the fate of plastic wet wipes in the Don River to inform possible solutions to wet wipe pollution. This includes taking a look at labeling standards within the industry and assessing whether wet wipe pollution does break down into a type of microplastic called microfibers. In the Don River, we found the highest number of wet wipes at sites of combined sewage overflow. During a storm event in Toronto, some contents of sewers are diverted to nearby rivers and streams, so some flushed material enters the environment, and that includes flushed wet wipes. This confirms that flushing wipes is a large pathway for them to reach the environment. We also found that various types of wet wipes break down into microfibers. Finally, we saw a lack of consistent labeling on packaging, and that 30% of wipe packages lack the Do Not Flush logo or written disposal information. When there is disposal information on the package, it's often very difficult to find. Plastic wet wipes are a significant source of plastic pollution, and many people don't know that. I hope to raise public awareness and to encourage everyone to throw their wipes in the waste bin. This work can also inform policy to reduce the amount of plastic wet wipes in our aquatic ecosystems through mandating labeling instructions on all wet wipe packages. Alternatively, policy could also implement flushability standards, like the International Water Services Flushability Group, to ensure that wipes that claim to be flushable really are safe to flush. To learn more about wipes versus pipes, including our key findings, policy brief, and outreach materials, visit ufttrashteam.ca/wet wipes.